Okay, here's this phone, and it is being charged wirelessly through this object, and it is connected to a USB 2 port of the computer. And look what happens. Take a look at the Thunderbolt sign that appears and disappears. So that means that the power is not good enough. Probably it's not getting enough amperage, so it is constantly starting and stopping the charging. Now it's stopped. Okay, one solution is not to use a USB 2 port like so, but instead use a USB 3 port like so, and in this case it should not stop. So now it started charging, and while I'm speaking it should not stop. It should continuously charge. Okay, and it did not stop till now. So that's one solution. The other solution, it did not stop, is to use an external adapter. This one has 3 settings, 1 amp, 2 amp and 3 amps, but it's working fine even with the 1 amp. And it's still charging and it's not stopping. Okay, so let's try that one. Unplug from here, plug it in even into the 1 amp setting and plug it in into the wall. Now it's not charging. That's because it's not aligned correctly. In this case it has to be slightly off center, so not exactly in the middle but slightly lower. And it's charging, and it should not stop like it did with USB 2.0. So the power has to be high enough, and then the charging should be continuous. It's not stopping, it's not pausing. Okay, another thing is this one. This is the case of that phone, and in the car I used a magnetic holder. This one is a metal plate and the magnet is inside the car's dashboard, and if I mount this one onto the phone, then of course this one is blocking the waves and it will not charge. So let's just try that one. In that case it will constantly pause. Okay, so it was inserted. It's slightly off the center. It is charging, and in a moment, yes, it stopped. It's paused and then it's trying to continue. It is charging and then it should stop. Yes. So make sure you're not using a case. Not exactly the case is the problem, but that piece of metal which is here. And make sure you're using high enough amperage. USB 3 has higher amperage compared to USB 2, and an external battery charger is also okay, and then your phone should charge without pausing.